Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a product that honestly has changed the way I work when I'm on the go. This right here is the GTMEDIA Mate X portable dual screen monitor. It's designed to literally clip onto your laptop to give you instant access to dual or even triple monitor setup. And I'm telling you, it's made life so much easier. When I'm running around from place to place, if you ever felt cramped working off just one screen, you're going to love this. Let's get into it. Alright, let's crack this open. I'm pretty excited. I've heard great things about this one. First up, we have the monitor itself, and I can already tell you it's incredibly lightweight. I've tried a few portable monitors before and they were decent, but this one having two screens is only around 2 kilograms. So you can definitely toss it in your bag without feeling it like an extra burden. And here's a stand for setting up on your desk. GT Media also included all the cables you need, a Type-C cable, USB-A to USB-C, HDMI, so you're all set for any device. I love that they included everything here. Nothing's worse than unboxing something and realizing you need to go hunt down an extra cable. First impressions, I'm already liking the design. It feels solid but portable. Let's set it up. So all you need to do is clip it to the back of your laptop screen, plug in the Type-C or HDMI cable, and that's it. Plug and play. No software or drivers needed. I love this because sometimes you're in a rush or just not in the mood to mess around with any extra setup. With seconds, it's ready to go. You don't need any tech expertise to make this work. Now, the display quality is impressive. It's an 11.6-inch IPS panel with 1920 by 1080 resolution, which means colors look vibrant and the details are sharp. And the best part, HDR technology. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little skeptical at first, but after using it, you really do notice that extra depth, especially if you're working with photos or just watching something. It's like having a mini HD screen just hanging out on the side of your laptop. So here's the thing, I work a lot outside, and that's honestly where the screen shines. You know, when you're working on a small laptop screen and constantly switching between tabs, it can be so distracting and, let's be honest, pretty exhausting. With the GTMedia Mate X, I have my main task on one screen and my notes or emails open on the other. For me, that's huge. Another game changer, when I'm editing videos or creating content, I can keep my editing software open on my main screen and the preview window on the Mate X. This saves me so much time. If you're creative or even just someone who juggles lots of different tasks, it's like having an extra pair of hands. And even for the simple stuff like just watching a movie or keeping up with social media while working, it's perfect. I mean, imagine you're on a flight, you've got your movie running on one screen and work open on the other. I can picture myself sitting there feeling like I've hacked the system with my own little in-flight setup. Another thing I love is how portable this thing is. If you're a freelancer, a student, or just someone who constantly working in different locations, this is such a blessing. I just slip it into my bag and it's like it's not even there. You don't need to lug around a huge external monitor, and it's not just for laptops. It's compatible with most smartphones, tablets, gaming consoles like the PS5 or the Switch, you name it. This feature alone makes it perfect for if you like switching between devices. I was even able to use it with my phone to watch videos and have an extra screen to work with at the same time. It's almost hard to go back to a single screen after this. Okay, let's talk about the design. Because GT Media didn't cut corners here, you can adjust the bracket to find the perfect angle, and the screen itself can rotate up to 195 degrees. So whether you're in a tiny cafe corner, on a cramped airplane, or just chilling at home, you'll find a setup that works for you. I've been using it in all kinds of places and it always feels comfortable. You can set it up next to your laptop or even fold it back for more collaborative view if you're sharing your screen with someone. This flexibility makes it adaptable to so many different situations. And the speakers, for such a small monitor, they're pretty solid. They will replace your main speakers, but they're clear and loud enough for general use. So if you're watching a video or even doing a quick conference call, they're more than capable. And the fact that GT Media included these little extras like the built-in speakers and the USB 2.0 port really adds to the experience. Let's talk about the overall performance, because that's really where these monitors won me over. It's responsive and the colors are rich, and I didn't experience any lag. Even when I'm multitasking with heavy application, it handles it well. I was surprised by how good the visuals were for such a portable monitor. It doesn't feel like you're compromising on quality at all. Alright, final thoughts. If you're looking for an easy, flexible way to expand your workspace or even just add a second screen for productivity, I'd highly recommend the GTMedia Mate X. I can already tell this will be a permanent part of my setup. It's like taking your entire workstation with you without the weight and hassle. Seriously, this thing has made working from anywhere so much better. So what do you all think? Could you see yourself using a portable screen like this? Drop a comment below and let me know, or if you have any questions about it, I'm happy to answer. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. I'll catch you in the next video.